Hey, BMW X1 2011, all keys lost. So we just made these two new keys, so we'll just lock it. Locks, unlocks, locks, unlocks. We'll just put that up there for a moment. And we'll pull this key out with one hand. So we just cut a key and try it in the door lock. Unlock. So this is a semi smart key where you actually put the remote into the actual car itself. So there's a slot just there, and we put it in here. Leave the foot on the brake. Put on the brake. Start the car. There we have it. Turn it off. We've got one remote program. So the other ones that are smart remotes look identical as these, but you don't have to put them in the slot. So let's just try that. Put on the brake. And there we have it. So if you've lost your keys to a 1 Series BMW and you need keys made, 04 and you're in Brisbane, 0413 120 444. So these are the aftermarket ones. There is logos that do come with them where you can put the BMW symbol on there. So I don't know where they are. And there's the boot, just pop. Let's go and check that out. I'll just take the license plate out of the equation. Yeah, there's one remote. There's the other remote. Okay, thanks for watching.